ChuChu TV!
Hi there, my friends!
Hey there, Mr. Harlow!
I'm so happy to see you all! Are you ready for today's field trip?
For sure! But where are we going, Mr. Harlow?
Let's keep it a surprise! We love surprises, don't we?
You bet, Mr. Harlow!
Okay, let's cast our magic spell.
ChuChu! Oh, wow! We're at a construction site. Look at that orange egg!
Okay, let's cast our magic spell.
ChuChu! Surprise! Wow! A lot of construction vehicle toys. Let's look at them one by one.
Excavator. Wow! Backhoe loader. Wow! Dump truck. Wow! Concrete mixer. Wow! Wheelbarrow. Wow! Crane. Wow! Trencher. Wow! Bulldozer. Wow! Asphalt paver. Wow! Road roller. We are going to see how a house is built. Let's start with the excavator. Wow! The construction worker uses the excavator to dig the ground. Next comes the backhoe loader. Wow! The construction worker uses the backhoe loader to transport the dug-up dirt. Here comes the dump truck. The construction worker uses the dump truck to transport the dirt dumped by the backhoe loader. Look at the concrete mixer. The construction worker uses the concrete mixer to make the concrete. It's a wheelbarrow. The construction worker uses the wheelbarrow to transport the concrete. Wow! Here comes the crane! The construction worker uses the crane to lift the steel needed to build the house. Here comes the trencher! Wow! The construction worker uses the trencher to dig pits to lay the pipes inside. Look at the bulldozer! The construction worker drives the bulldozer to cover the trenched pits with dirt. Here comes the asphalt paver. Wow! The construction worker uses the asphalt paver to drop asphalt and pave the road. And finally, the road roller. Wow! The construction worker uses the road roller to make the new road even and flat. Did you kids have fun learning about the construction vehicles, tools, and process?
We learned a lot about the construction vehicles, tools, and process, Mr. Harlow.
Shall we say them all over again?
Oh, yeah! Let's go! An excavator. A backhoe loader. A dump truck. A concrete mixer. A wheelbarrow. A crane. A trencher. A bulldozer. An asphalt paver. A road roller.
Great work, kids! Now it's getting dark, and it's time to go home. So long, my friends!
Goodbye. We can't wait for our next field trip, Mr. Harlow.